Once you have logged in to Thinkific and you're in your organization library, click on any one of these orange Start Learning boxes to access the course. Once you're into the course, you'll have an opportunity to re-review the learning that you had completed. But when you want to see your full dashboard, you just click this button in the upper left that says Go to your dashboard. And then here you can see all of the different courses or sections that you have access to. Most SafeSide libraries have courses that are fairly similar to what you're seeing on screen. So there'll always be the in-place learning program that you completed, whether that was primary care, behavioral health, or youth and community services. You'll also see the office hours excerpt for phone triage. Then there are resources for project teams that include launch and implementation assets to help implement SafeSide across your organization. Everyone should have tools and resources. Tools and resources include a number of different resources for you, including you can download the participant workbook from the course that you completed. You can see other handouts and worksheets, job aids, articles, including the risk formulation article is available there. And then you'll also see a course identified for facilitators that has what facilitators need to be able to provide and facilitate through SafeSide Learning. So that's a quick overview of what you can expect to see in your library. Note that some of these will be customized based on the organization and their needs, but in general, this is a good overview.